Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Palmpay name. Let's get started. First of all, open the Palmpay app and log in using your secure PIN or fingerprint. Click on the profile icon in the top left corner to access your account settings. Then tap the pencil icon next to full name to start editing. Enter your new name and provide the necessary details, including your national ID, a photo, and any required documentation. Then, once everything is filled out, tap Submit to save your changes. Your request will be processed shortly. That's it, your name change request has been submitted successfully. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.